Now let's complete with the correct sound. Let's see. What are they doing? First one, he's taking a nap. So here on this side, on the last column, you're going to find the beginning sound for you to use and complete the words. So the first word you see up there is a boy napping. Remember? He's napping. So the word is nap. Which of these 3 letters here sounds like n? That's the first sound, right? Nap. N. Is this one? This one goes s. Very good. Is it this one? This one goes p, p. How does this goes? N. Very good. So that's our letter. N. Letter N. N. So we're going to put letter N right there. So now you have nap. Nap. Good. Do you remember that is? Ip. Is it a sip or a pip? Sip is also a word, huh? When you take a sip of your coffee. So that's another word you can make and read because you already know those sounds. So pip. Good job. You choose the P that goes p, p, and you put it over there. It makes pip. So the last one is it. Sit. Very good. Well done. Let's try again one more time with different words, of course. Oh, now we have, remember what they are? We have a pen, a boy that sat down, and a tap. So let's start with the first one. The first one is a pan. Listen to it. Pan. Pan. What sound is that? Is that s, t, or p? Good job. It's p. And that's the p symbol. The letter P. And then you put it over there. Very good. Now the boy sat down. So the word is at. Is tat or sat? Sat. Which of these 2 letters over here, s, t, you're going to use to complete the word sat? Very good. The letter S, the one that makes s. Now you have sat. Now you only have one left. What sound does it make? If you don't know what this is, it's okay if you don't know what that means. But you know that you have this letter left, so you have to use it. You're going to put it over here, right? So let's do it. You choose that one, you put it over there. What does that mean? You try to read it. You know the sounds. T, ap, tap. So that means this is a tap that you open to wash your hands. You did an amazing job. You already know how to read and maybe even write about 6 words. Now I want you to try to make up some words with all those sounds that we've seen so far, that we've seen today. S, a, p, t, I. Now you look at this and you try to put them together to make some words. Could be a different one, like I say, sip. We have the s, I, p. So here, right there, we wrote another word. S, I, p, sip. Take a sip, right? We can write another word. Can you find another word? You're blending the sounds. So now this is something that you can do all by yourself. You freeze the screen and you find the sounds. You can even write it down on a paper so you practice your writing. Okay? I'll leave you to it. I hope you can make many, many words. In our next class, I'm going to teach you more sounds and more blendings that you can make more words. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.